Okay, next let's talk about road. So for slow pitch jigging, you need a slow jigging rod, right? Slow jigging rod. I'm using Akoda Black Expert slow jigging rod. You will find two types. One is single piece. Second one is butt joint. I'm using butt joint. There is no big difference between these two, in terms of transportation. Butt joint is very easy and convenient. But certain models you will not find out a butt joint. That's the reason I went for Akoda. Akoda provide me the butt joint, so for me easy to transport. You will find it in Daiwa. You will find it in Shimano. In Rapala Storm Gomco is actually a very good jigging rod, slow pitch jigging rod, but single piece. You will also find in Hati Race, M&W Japan, Yamanga Blanks. There are many brands where you will find out slow pitch jigging rod. The branded slow jigging rods cost minimum 600-700 dirhams, and you can get it average price 1,200-1,300, right? Now if you are looking for a cheapest one, you will find out in AliExpress around maybe 300 dirhams, right? But again, you pay more, you will get the better quality. Okay, better quality means that you will have better actions, better performance, and long lasting. So if when you want to invest something, especially rod and reel, invest something branded. This is my suggestion. Whether Akoda, Storm, Daiwa, Shimano, M&W, Hati Race, these are very popular brands where you can easily invest. And why I choose Akoda is nothing, because of rupees. I need to transport it. Alright, so in terms of jigging capacity, right? For Fujairah, like I mentioned, you will find the place where 120 meter, 150 meter, 200, sometimes 250 and 300 meter, right? And if there is a current, then let's say you're jigging in 200 meter and there is a current, then you need to use 250 gram jig or sometimes 300 gram jigs, right? So my recommendation is to buy a slow jigging rod, jigging capacity up to 300 gram if possible. Okay, so my rod is maximum jigging capacity is 300 gram and it support 1.5 to 3 line, right? So this is from this specification you could see that the recommended line for this rod is 2.5, right? And I'm using 2.5 PE line. Alright, I think that's it. So we talk about reel, we talk about rod and the specifications. In next video we'll talk about jigs, hooks and terminals. Till then, thank you. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel and let me know your feedback. I have lots of tutorial videos. Most of these videos are in my local language, Malayalam, but I have some of them having subtitles, because I'm getting lots of requests from you guys that you are asking me to create the videos in English. Honestly, I would like to create, but I feel more comfortable with my local language. That's the reason I'm creating all these videos in my local language, but I will try some of the videos in English like this, right? So stay tuned for next part, and thank you.
Jack, amberjack, heavy. Expecting heavy amberjack.
Yeah.